Greetings, SABEW guests. Welcome to Using Labor Market Data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, presented by economist Maya B. Brandon. This session will include information about who we are and what we do, the data that we have available, our data collection and survey processes, the effects of COVID-19 on our programs and operations, and resources that we have available to best assist you in acquiring the data that you need. Let's get started. Who we are and what we do. The Bureau of Labor Statistics is the principal federal agency responsible for measuring labor market activity, working conditions, and price changes in the economy. You may be most familiar with our employment situation and consumer price index releases. Our mission is to collect, analyze, and disseminate essential economic information to support public and private decision-making. As an independent statistical agency, the BLS serves its diverse user communities by providing products and services that are accurate, objective, relevant, timely, and accessible. Data available. Tracking inflation, employment, and unemployment statistics are our claims to fame, but we have many other data offerings. Have you ever wondered about the average annual wages for a journalist? Maybe how many, or what kind, of injuries are recorded on a specific job? How much time do Americans spend reading or watching TV? In addition to providing employment and unemployment figures, we produce data on workplace injuries, pay and benefits, spending and time use, productivity, occupational requirements, and we even offer employment projections. To support our customers and their stories, we have data available at the national, state, and local levels. Our data spans across geographic areas, demographic populations, and timeframes. Data collection and survey processes. You may now be wondering how we are able to collect, analyze, and disseminate so many data products. We conduct surveys. A few that you may have heard of include our current employment statistics, current population, job openings and labor turnover, occupational employment and wages, and consumer expenditure surveys. A lot of work goes into producing, implementing, and analyzing our surveys. Our survey and methodology researchers polish up survey instruments for our field economists to then pose to potential respondents. We make contact with respondents in person, over the phone, and through fax, email, and mailings. While many of our surveys are voluntary, we have been successful in fostering healthy relationships with the public to garner their participation in our household and establishment surveys. We make it a point to express to respondents how much their responses are valued and how much their data points matter as we work to produce the most timely, relevant, and accurate statistics possible. How the COVID-19 pandemic has affected BLS data and programs. Globally, the COVID-19 virus has affected life as we know it. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, in coordination with agencies across the federal government, continues to monitor its impacts. We are committed to producing and distributing gold standard data while also keeping the public, our employees, and our partners safe. While our employees are largely working remotely, we are maintaining the highest level of service. We continue to operate as normal and are available to assist customers through phone, email, and internet. Much of our data are collected online and through telephone interviews. For data that are typically collected in person, we are limiting in-person collection and focusing on phone, email, and internet data collection. Our data have continued to be released on schedule in accordance with our BLS release calendar. While we do not make predictions about COVID-19's effect on the labor market, we do have resources that look more specifically into the impacts of the virus on BLS programs. Resources available. While we are continuing to primarily work remotely, operations are functioning normally. Our General Information Line data specialists are available to assist with all of your data needs, Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. These specialists can help you access data specific to your interests, provide website navigation assistance, and assist you in understanding the data that you have found. Additionally, we have a customer information guide that includes information on all of our programs, the data that they produce, and direct contact information to specialists in these programs. The customer information guide is available online. For information specific to COVID-19's impacts on BLS programs, please visit our BLS COVID-19 Frequently Asked Questions Guide online. Links will be provided in the chat. Thank you for joining the Using Labor Market Data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics session at the SABEW Spring Conference. We hope that you have enjoyed your time here and look forward to working with you on your data stories. For additional information or assistance, please feel free to contact me, Maya B. Brandon, directly at brandon.maya@bls.gov or give us a call on our General Information Line at 202-691-5200. We'll see you in the fall.